Hello guys, welcome back to SketchUp Core. Now last episode we explored kitchen layouts and styles. Now we'll be bringing these layouts to life with design elements that give every kitchen its unique personality. Our design elements can be known to be what gives our kitchen character and function. We're talking about materials, colors, textures, and we can also talk about accents that create a different look to our kitchen or that shapes how our kitchen feels and work. When we talk about materials and finishes, we're talking about the foundation of the kitchen look. This can range from natural wood to polished stones, and every material and every finish carries its own choice of visual style and a functional purpose. For instance, wood can bring warmth to the kitchen, while quartz or our granite offers durability. And some of these materials appeal to be timeless. They can fit into every trend and every style of kitchen design. Talking about colors, colors tie everything in our kitchen together. It's impossible to have a reasonable looking kitchen and an aesthetically pleasing kitchen without picking the proper colors and using the proper palettes for our kitchen designs. For instance, our neutral palette usually creates its look of calmness in our kitchen, and minimalistic kitchens can tend to use more of the neutral palette colors, while bold contrasts like black cabinets with white countertops sometimes bring drama to the kitchen, and it creates a different look and gives a different feel than using neutral colors. In SketchUp, it's easier to experiment using the paint bucket tool and materials to allow you test ideas for your kitchen colors and what is suitable to you and the client you're working for. Lighting, different lighting sets different mood for our kitchen. For our ambient lighting, they set the mood. For our tax lighting, they enhance functionality. They help with us carrying out different tasks in our kitchen. Our accent lighting tends to highlight textures, and they are being placed as a focal point to highlight a certain element in our kitchen space. Fixing our lighting in our kitchen can transform our kitchen from just a workspace to an experience. There's no proper kitchen design without harmony. Every kitchen has to be balanced. There needs to be balance between your upper and your lower cabinets. There needs to be balance between your textures for your counters and your backsplash. And there needs to be balance between creating your cabinetries. Too much uniformity in the kitchen can make it feel too rigid and still. And too much contrast can bring about chaos in your kitchen space. So the first thing to always put in mind is for us to know that balance is always the key when it comes to our kitchen design. For every kitchen space, every kitchen is unique to its own user and to the designer. So when you're designing a kitchen space, it's good to note that you're not just designing a space to suit yourself as the interior designer. You're designing a space that needs a touch of a personal experience. So no design element is complete without the touch of a personal experience of the person you are designing for, or the user, the end user of the space. Your end user might have something that is unique to them. They might have a unique hardware. They may prefer a bold backsplash and a bold countertop. They might prefer some custom shelving and elements that reflect the soul of your home user or the end user. So it's usually preferable to put into consideration the personal expression of the end user or the home owner of the kitchen space you're designing. Lastly, it's good to know that when you're using SketchUp, you're not just drafting kitchen spaces, you are designing experiences by understanding and combining materials, colors, lighting, and balance. So you can create a kitchen space that is both functional and inspiring when you combine these elements of your kitchen space. Next episode, we'll be shifting from design elements to the details of cabinetry design, which is the backbone of our kitchen functionality. This is SketchUp Core. We're here to guide you through the art and the craft of your kitchen space design. Thank you for watching.